Hello student, please subscribe my channel if you like my video. All the best, God bless you. What is the impact of minus pK and plus pK, that is lower pK and higher pK, on acidity of organic compound? So here I have written correct answer. Remember this: ketonium ion, protonated ketone, we have to write on RCO. Here this is protonated, so positive charge on oxygen. So pK value is -7 to -5. Protonated alcohol ROH carry positive charge, pK -2 to -2.5. Negative pK means tendency to lose proton very easily, means a proton is not held tightly, very loosely attached. Okay, so easily lost. Then I draw a number line so that it will be easy for you. Always draw a number line when you are going for this acidic measurement. So here 0, -2 to -7.5. So as we are going from here right to left, at the time here this is the least pK and 0 is much more than -7. Okay, so lesser will be the pK, more acidic will be the compound. So the compound which is having -7.5 will be most acidic as compared to pK -7 and -2.5. These are acidity decreases, and here acidity least acidic, which is having higher pK. That is, whenever the positive values is started, acidity started decreasing. Whenever negative value, magnitude here -7.5, magnitude is more but negative charge, so it is most acidic. So pK A of protonated triethylamine given 10.75. These are the given data. I am not writing the data my own. These were given data, and they were asking which is having more pK and less pK, or more acidic, less acidic. So I took the data from the paper. Okay, pK of protonated triethylamine 10.75. Here I draw triethylamine, 1, 2, 3 ethyl groups, nitrogen carry positive charge. So it is having value, then different temperature it will give 9.8 or 10.75 in between this. So I have written 10.75 approx. Okay, now protonated benzaldehyde is having -7.5. Oh my god, it is the least value. So protonated benzaldehyde is most acidic, followed by ketonium ion, protonated ketone, and then protonated alcohol B, and lastly protonated triethylamine. Okay, see here, this is most acidic, -7.5. Ketonium ion is having -7 pK. This protonated alcohol carry -2 to -5 charge, pK value, not charge, -2 to -2.5 pK value. So it is way less acidic, but it is more acidic than triethyl ammonium.